Good afternoon. This is Phil Gap. It's January 20th, 2020. I want to give an update on a company called Tempur-Pedic. There's going to be an IPO coming up soon of another company called Casper. They make mattresses online. And it's been reporting terrific growth, and the company is going to be valued, what I've been reading in the papers, between 1 and 2 billion. So I wanted to give a review of a company, Tempur-Pedic, that's been around for a very long time, and they make luxury brands. And the reason why all these mattress companies have been doing very well, the business has been really profitable. And Tempur-Pedic in January of 2019 was a $40 stock, and it ran all the way up to 80. So you made more than 100% in roughly about a year and a couple of months. So all these mattress companies, online companies, have been doing extremely well. However, the valuations on these things have really, for example, on Tempur-Pedic stock, they're used to do about $8 billion in sales going back to 2012, 2013, and today they're doing $4 billion in sales. However, their earnings estimates and at the same time these buybacks have made the stock a better looking in terms of valuations. But like most of the stock market, I think it's overvalued. The growth rates, they're saying they're going to do about 16% growth, although their overall numbers, their revenue numbers are less than 2%. This is a company that's also buying back their stock. And at the same time, I'm seeing a lot of executives getting out of the stock. So I think this is a formula that eventually, I believe, will head south. But for the time being, the market's been doing extremely well. And, I think this is chase for performance. So there's an expectation here that they'll beat their estimates on February 13th. But if they do that, I could see the stock going above 100. And I think it can go all the way up to about 110 when I did my valuations. And if you took here from 40 to 80 and add that here to a valuation, let's say, let's just say 70, you're getting a $110 number. So this is Tempur-Pedic. It's done extremely well, and I could see them even going higher after February if they have really good earnings. However, if they do start having peak estimates and they say there's any type of slowdown, like I've been saying for most of the stock market, these gaps will get refilled again. And when you look at the long-term chart on this, if you look back 2012, it reached these 88, 89 numbers, and it tried again here in 2016, beginning of 2017. We're back here again in January 17th. And we're back to these numbers, and it's trying to break again, but what you don't see is the volume is extremely low. And another, here you see this high volume low at this number here of $20.70. I just wrote down 21. And high volume lows and high volume highs love to be retested. So I want to give you an idea. This is Tempur-Pedic Sealy stock. I believe personally it has peak earnings, and I think this will eventually, if the market starts heading south, I think this one's a target. I think it will fill these gaps, and I'm going to say something crazy to you, but I think in the next recession this will be a $21 stock. I even made a smiley face here to show these drawings, and I think what I'm trying to get at here is these peaks, and you see there's no more buyers here, and you see another one here. They had peak earnings, then basically slid from 88 down to 21. So this is another stock I've been looking at. I hope everyone has a great day. Again, this is Tempur-Pedic. It's going to have earnings on February 13th. And if it has great earnings, I suspect this will go back above 100 to 115. And obviously, if it has any type of slowdown, I'll be looking to short it. So have a great day. Thank you very much.